Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beard trimmers available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium upgrade, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 series. This budget-friendly option comes packed with 15 grooming accessories, including attachments for trimming your beard, nose, ears, and even your head. It's perfect for someone looking for versatility without breaking the bank. The stainless steel, self-sharpening blades ensure long-lasting performance, and you'll never need blade oil, which is a nice touch for hassle-free maintenance. Design-wise, the Multigroom 3000 has a solid build with impact-resistant guards that won't bend or buckle, even with heavy use. The black and chrome finish gives it a sleek look, and the soft pouch makes it easy to store or travel with. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge, which is decent for casual grooming sessions, but not ideal for extended or intensive use. While this trimmer covers the basics well, it lacks advanced features like precision dials or high-end materials. The grease used for consistent trimming might feel off-putting to some users. Overall, this is an excellent choice for beginners or anyone on a tight budget, but it's not the best option for those seeking premium performance. Pros: affordable price, versatile attachments, self-sharpening blades. Cons: limited runtime and basic build quality. At number 4, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Hybrid Face Trimmer. This innovative trimmer is perfect for those who want a lightweight and compact tool that can handle both trimming and shaving with ease. The standout feature is its 360 blade technology, which flexes in all directions for constant skin contact. This makes it ideal for tackling tricky areas like under the jawline, with fewer passes and less irritation. The OneBlade is designed to cut hair, not skin, and features a dual protection system with rounded tips and a glide coating for maximum comfort. It comes with a 5-in-1 adjustable comb to achieve stubble lengths between 1 to 5 millimeters, making it perfect for maintaining a clean yet rugged look. The waterproof design and 45-minute battery life ensure convenience for both wet and dry use, whether you're at home or traveling. While the OneBlade offers excellent precision and comfort, it's not as versatile as other models in this lineup due to its limited trimming lengths and shorter battery runtime. It's best suited for individuals who prefer a minimalist grooming tool for stubble and light beard maintenance. Pros: compact design, 360 blade technology, great for sensitive skin. Cons: limited trimming options and shorter battery life. Coming in at number 3 is the Olave X Men's Beard Trimmer. This mid-range option delivers impressive versatility with 20 precision length settings controlled by a dial, eliminating the need for multiple clipper attachments. Whether you're going for stubble or a full beard, this trimmer offers effortless customization for a sharp and clean look every time. The stainless steel blades provide a smooth cutting experience without pulling or irritation, making it ideal for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's cordless and waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower or clean it easily under running water. With up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it offers reliable performance for most grooming sessions, and the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling throughout. While the Olave X trimmer is a solid performer, it doesn't stand out in any specific area compared to higher-end models. The battery life is decent but not exceptional, and while the build quality is good, it lacks the premium finish seen in more expensive options. Overall, it's a great choice for someone who wants versatility and comfort at a reasonable price. Pros: precision dial with 20 length settings, waterproof and ergonomic design. Cons: average battery performance and no standout features. At number 2, we have the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 series. This trimmer is a grooming powerhouse, featuring 23 pieces for trimming your beard, face, nose, ears, body, and even intimate areas. Its titanium-coated self-sharpening blades offer exceptional durability and precision. while the Beard Sense technology scans beard density 125 times per second to adjust power automatically. This makes it perfect for tackling thick, bushy beards with ease. The stainless steel handle with a rubber grip provides superior control and a premium feel. In terms of battery life, the Multigroom 7000 is a beast, offering up to 5 hours of runtime on a single charge. The adjustable combs and 20 length settings allow for ultimate customization, making it suitable for any beard style or grooming need. Plus, its waterproof design ensures convenient cleaning and wet-dry use. While the Multigroom 7000 is undeniably versatile and high-performing, it does come at a higher price point, and the travel pouch lacks the premium feel of the trimmer itself. It's best suited for enthusiasts or professionals who want a top-tier grooming tool. Pros: exceptional battery life, versatile attachments, Beard Sense technology. Cons: higher price and basic travel pouch. Finally, at number 1, we have the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger Premium Beard Trimmer. This is the ultimate choice for anyone who takes their beard grooming seriously. Featuring a unique zoom wheel with 20 adjustable lengths, this trimmer eliminates the need for multiple clipper attachments, offering convenience and precision like no other. The stainless steel T-blade is titanium coated, ensuring it stays sharp and cuts through even the thickest beards effortlessly. The Beard Hedger is built for performance. With a powerful 7,200 RPM motor and an ergonomic design that feels premium in your hands. It's IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower without worry. The cordless design and 60-minute runtime are perfect for on-the-go grooming, and the included hard-shell travel case adds to its portability and durability. While the price is steep, the Beard Hedger delivers exceptional value for those willing to invest in top-tier quality. It's not just a trimmer, it's a precision tool for perfecting your beard style, whether you're going for stubble or lumberjack vibes. Pros: premium build quality, 20-length zoom wheel, waterproof design. Cons: expensive compared to other options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right beard trimmer for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy grooming!